What's up, WatchWire news crew? First up, get ready to track your ZZZs like never before because Apple is rolling out a revolutionary sleep score feature for the Apple Watch. We're breaking down exactly how this new score works, which models are getting it, and what it means for your health. But hold up, because not all Apple Watch news is good news. We've got a disturbing story out of Florida where a man allegedly used an Apple Watch to stalk and ambush his girlfriend. This one's intense, and we've got the shocking details. Next, we're heading to Kentucky, where Apple is doubling down on American manufacturing. We're talking about a massive investment in the Corning plant, making it the exclusive producer of cover glass for iPhones and Apple Watches worldwide. This is a huge win for US jobs. And finally, for all you Apple Watch enthusiasts, get ready for a massive upgrade. watchOS 26 is dropping with a whopping 30 new features and changes, from stunning new watch faces to major app overhauls. We've got the full scoop on everything you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Apple Watch users, get ready to unlock the secrets of your sleep like never before. Apple is finally bringing its highly anticipated sleep score feature to a wide range of Apple Watch models with the release of watchOS 26. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a significant leap forward in personal health tracking, building on Apple's increasing commitment to sleep science following their acquisition of Bedit. Now, your Apple Watch and the dedicated sleep app will provide a sophisticated, numerical representation of your nightly rest. The sleep score itself is a personalized metric, ranging from 0 to 100, indicating how well you slept compared to your personal targets. After just one night's data, you'll start seeing your score appear in the sleep app. For instance, a score of 84 might be categorized as high, meaning you're likely to feel refreshed. The app breaks down this score further, showing points earned for sleep duration, consistency, and disturbances, with details available in the Health app. Apple collaborated with leading sleep organizations like the American Academy of Sleep Medicine to ensure accuracy and relevance. The feature analyzes key metrics including bedtime, duration, consistency, disturbances, and sleep stage duration, comparing it against your historical data for a truly personalized insight. Importantly, this feature isn't limited to the latest models. It's available on Apple Watch Series 6 and later, all Apple Watch Ultra models, and Apple Watch SE 2 and later, provided you have an iPhone 11 or newer running iOS 26. While the new Series 11 boasts impressive battery life, the sleep score itself relies on the robust tracking capabilities already present in these devices. Public reaction is buzzing, with users eager to dive into their sleep data and optimize their rest. Analysts are calling it a major step in making the Apple Watch a comprehensive health companion, potentially driving further adoption among health-conscious consumers. Don't go anywhere, because the next story involves a dark side of wearable tech that's truly chilling. And we're also revealing how Apple is investing billions right here in America. A disturbing case out of Florida highlights the dangerous potential of tracking technology. Authorities in Broward County have arrested Solomon Demond Loud, 22, on multiple felony charges after an alleged incident where he used his girlfriend's Apple Watch and MacBook to track her location in real time, leading to a terrifying ambush. The victim reported noticing she was being tracked while at Fort Lauderdale Beach, where Loud, reportedly wearing a ski mask and armed, appeared before she managed to escape. Later, at a Tamarack gas station, Loud allegedly confronted her again, this time armed with a handgun, pointing it at her and a coworker through the car window and attempting to force his way inside. A violent struggle ensued over the firearm, during which the victim was reportedly punched multiple times and strangled. She managed to drive away, while her coworker retrieved the dropped weapon. Investigators also revealed that Loud had sent numerous threatening text messages and voice notes in the days prior, including phrases like, "I'm going to fuck you up," and "I'm going to Swiss cheese the car." Loud is currently being held without bond at the Broward County Main Jail. This incident has sent shockwaves through the community, raising serious concerns about digital stalking and the misuse of personal devices. Law enforcement is emphasizing the importance of digital security and awareness in light of such alarming cases. But it's not all dark news. we're also celebrating a massive boost for American manufacturing thanks to Apple. And get ready for a massive software upgrade that's about to transform your Apple Watch experience. Apple is making a monumental commitment to American manufacturing, with a Kentucky plant set to become the sole global producer of cover glass for iPhones and Apple Watches. Specialty glass maker Corning Inc. announced plans to triple production capacity and significantly increase its workforce at its Harrodsburg, Kentucky facility, deepening a partnership that began with the original iPhone in 2007. This move is backed by a staggering $2.5 billion investment from Apple, aimed at establishing the most advanced production line ever created for smartphone glass. Apple CEO Tim Cook visited the plant, emphasizing the power of American manufacturing and stating that every new iPhone or Apple Watch purchased globally will feature glass made in Kentucky. This initiative has garnered bipartisan praise, highlighting a major win for domestic production and job creation. The Harrodsburg plant, currently employing around 350 people, is expected to expand its workforce to over 500. Employees like Tommy Shirley, whose family has worked at the plant for generations, expressed immense pride and optimism, calling the deepening ties with Apple a huge shot in the arm for the community and emphasizing the global impact of their work. An innovation center will also be established at the plant, fostering cutting-edge research and development. But before we look too far ahead, we've got a deep dive into the latest software update that's packed with game-changing features for your Apple Watch. And for those keeping up with the latest tech, we're detailing all 30 new features hitting your wrist. Get ready to supercharge your Apple Watch experience, because watchOS 26 is here with a massive overhaul. This latest update brings a staggering 30 new features and significant changes designed to boost usability, customization, and performance across a wide range of Apple Watch models. You'll find stunning new watch faces like Waypoint, Flow, and Exactograph, offering deep customization options including night mode and adaptable complications, while older faces are retired for a cleaner look. The interface has been redesigned for better visual appeal and functionality, with improvements across core apps like Activity, Calendar, and Mail, making them more powerful and integrated. The Workout app receives a major revamp with new activity types, enhanced metrics, and improved training logs, making fitness tracking more engaging. Productivity gets a boost with smarter notifications, an updated Reminders app, and enhanced communication tools. Even battery management sees improvements, ensuring your device keeps up with your day. A standout feature is the adaptive sound notifications, which intelligently adjust volume based on your environment, ensuring you never miss an important alert without being disruptive. These updates collectively aim to make your Apple Watch an even more indispensable tool for health, productivity, and staying connected. Tech enthusiasts and early adopters are already raving about the enhanced personalization and streamlined user experience. Analysts predict watchOS 26 will further solidify the Apple Watch's position as a leader in the wearable market, driving user engagement and satisfaction. And that's just the beginning of the amazing tech news today. Stay tuned for our lightning round recap and all the ways you can stay connected with WatchWire news. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Apple is revolutionizing sleep tracking with its new sleep score on Apple Watch. We exposed a disturbing case of alleged stalking using Apple Watch technology. We celebrated Apple's massive investment in American manufacturing at the Corning plant in Kentucky. And we broke down all 30 game-changing features in the new watchOS 26 update. Don't miss out on any of the action. Smash that like button, subscribe to WatchWire News, ring the notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Plus, follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content.